Hello friends, how are you? This is Wasim Zahid, and today I will talk to you about Uber Eats driver and to see whether it's a good opportunity that is available in the market, whether you can earn something good for you or for your family, knowing that it's a part-time job and it's as per Uber Eats driver app and the website. Obviously, they say, or the people who are into Uber Eats driver, they say it's a good option for people who want to work as a part-time, and they can earn something good as per the vloggers that I saw on YouTube. As per their information, they can earn up to 17, 18, $19. That was not confirmed, and I wanted to confirm whether this information is correct or not, because you can't say anything if you don't have the information and data. So in order to confirm this thing, and knowing that in Ontario the hourly rate is 16.50, so I wanted to confirm this thing, so that this 17, 18, 19 figure is it's correct, or as per the actual situation. So I downloaded app on my phone and registered myself with Uber Eats driver, and my information is different, and I have a different opinion about it. Now it's your decision whether it's good, bad, you want to do it or not. It's your personal choice. As far as the technology is concerned, technologically, Uber Eats driver is wonderful because you are sitting at home, and you are elderly, you can be disabled, you are very busy and you can't go out, or maybe you are simply couch potato. If it's up to you, I'm not saying which one is good or bad. And secondly, it's good for the company Uber Eats, Uber itself, that they are earning a lot of money, because against each order they are keeping 35% of the money. So but you are using your own vehicle, your own phone, your data, maintenance and gas, everything, you are using it. You are not getting any amount upfront or later on. So let's start that. I did this thing, registration and everything, and I went out the streets of Waterloo region. I live in Waterloo region, Ontario. So and I tested this thing to verify. So the data is entirely different. I saw that you can only earn hourly $10 hardly, because in a day not more than $80. I won't use the word earning. It's not earning, because you need to extract amount which is going in gas, maintenance and your data. So and there is an assumption, in order to get the average, you can easily get the average for 1 hour a day as a part-time job. But let's assume you're working 3 days a month. Nobody really do this thing. Most of the people work 22 days a month, some 26, but let's assume you're working 30 days as a Uber Eats driver, and you are working 8 hours straight without any break. By the way, you are not taking break, and you're working for 30 days. So at the end of the day, you are getting only $80. Weekly, you have this amount in your bank account, and on daily basis, if you are having $80, that means in 10 days $800, and in a month 2,400. Wow, it's a big amount. Break, it's not the reality, because it's not your earning, because you are spending money on your gas, maintenance and data. So, and in Canada we don't use economical cars, by the way. And if there's an economical car, then you need to go for a altogether new car, and you will be in car financing agreement, and you will be spending roughly $300 on weekly basis or bi-weekly basis on your vehicle. So in this context, or the monthly basis, whatever it is, you are spending a lot of money on your new vehicle. But the reality is, in Canada you have vehicles that consumes a lot of gas. So out of 2,400, you are left with, after all these expenses, $1,200 net. So if you are happy that you are having $1,200 after working roughly 250 hours a month, which is mammoth, and comparing most of the people just work 102 hours during the month. If you're happy, you are having $1,200, then it's up to you. It's your choice. You don't have any work-life balance, you don't have any social life, and you are on the road all the time. And after that, you will be tired and sleeping. So it's your choice. Secondly, at this point, if you are a family of 4, your monthly expenditure is around 7,000 Canadian dollars, and in $7,000, you need to work something else. You can't rely, if you are all adults and you're working for the family members, then you can, through Uber Eats driver, you can get only $4,800. And if you are in the job market and you are educated but you can't get a job, and you are close to your home, you are getting any labor job in a factory or any other unit, you can earn $10,000, or 4 members of the family, or your rate is good, then you can earn $12,000. So if we compare with this 4,800, it's worthless. So if you ask me, I won't do it. Yeah, I tried, obviously, just to confirm. And secondly, the orders are not as, in 8 hours you will be on your, you will work like crazy. You will have many orders, one after the other, and you can pile up and pick the orders and deliver to the customers. It's not like that you are not, in 8 hours you're not getting hours. There are a lot of hours for 8 hours, but it's worthless, because these days people don't give tip, because things are already expensive, so why should they? And I have seen people don't, maybe $2-3 here and there. So, and this is not mandatory. So in my personal view and personal opinion, this is not a solid, reliable source of income in the job market, which is available, obviously, because you will, if you want to be your boss, if you want to be have a flexible schedule, it's good. But if you are not earning anything, then there's no validity. I won't recommend. Please watch my next video that will be on the same topic, but in a situation where you are on employment insurance, which means you are jobless and you are on employment insurance and you want to earn something extra. So please watch my next video. Ciao. Thank you.